Hey everyone! In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to publish your Adobe Express designs straight to Simplebooklet, turning them into branded, interactive flipbooks with their own web length, audience reports, and everything else Simplebooklet has to offer. The big news is that we're now officially in the Adobe Express Share menu, which means you can send your design to Simplebooklet without ever leaving Adobe Express. So let's jump in. With your design ready, head to the top right corner and click Share. The Share File panel opens up with all your sharing options. From here, look for Simplebooklet. As you can see, I have it right here. But if you don't see it, just click the Show All button, scroll down to More Options, and you can access it from there. From here, the Simplebooklet pop-up opens up. You'll see 3 tabs across the top: Publish, Library, and Account, and a live preview of your booklet on the right. If this is your first time using the integration, you'll need to connect your Simplebooklet account. So click the Account tab, then hit Connect to Simplebooklet. So you can see a new browser tab opens up with the Simplebooklet sign-in page. If you've already got an account, just log in. But if you're new to Simplebooklet, you can sign up free right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign into my Simplebooklet account. And as you can see, once you're signed in, you'll be sent back to the Adobe Express page automatically. And you'll see the green connected confirmation. So as you can see, this account tab has a little green dot there. And then it also lets you know right in the account tab itself. And because of that, we now have access to the library tab as well. So the library shows your 25 most recent Simplebooklets, and each one has an update with the new design button. That's a great option if you want to refresh an existing booklet while keeping the same link and analytics intact. But I'll cover that flow in a separate video. For today, let's create a brand new Simplebooklet from this design. So we're going to go ahead and click the Publish tab. And this is where we'll pick how our booklet flips. So as you can see, we have 3 recommended flips at the top. And then below, you can scroll through more flips to browse the full library. So I would recommend just clicking different ones and seeing what you like the most and what matches the vibe of your booklet. And then once you've picked a flip you like, just go ahead and click the Export to Simplebooklet button. Your design starts generating. And when it's ready, you'll get 2 options. We'll just wait for those to load up here. So again, we have the Open in Simplebooklet option, which will put us directly into Simplebooklet and open our booklet in the preview mode, which is the one we'll be doing for this video. Or you also have the option to export again if you want to try a different flip or change your design. So let's go ahead and open it up in Simplebooklet. And as you can see now, our booklet is opened up in the Simplebooklet preview mode. And from here, you can keep editing, design it further, record narration, or head straight to sharing. And that's it for this video. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.